still I know right from wrong. But still I do the wrong things, and the way I be. Reaction.
What's up, YouTube? It's about Tyrekereacts, aka The Reaction. Boss! Back in effect with another video for you guys. People, how are you doing today? How are you feeling today on this lovely Sunday morning? Yes, this video is made the day off. Comment on this video to see your comment right there in this video that I post. And if you're from St. Kitts, drop some more artists y'all want to see me react to. You feel me? Now, y'all been recommending this song for a minute. I couldn't find it. Honestly, I couldn't find it. Until I did find it today. So it's been out for 4 weeks. The song is called Sorry by Dejour. Official music video. Apparently it's for the girls then, because I read the comments and y'all say it's for the females. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna straight to the reaction right now. Bow! Anyways, let's go! Let's go. That's what we're talking about today. Right, tune! Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I like her already. She look good. She thick. She alright. Yeah. You know me like girls them already, you know. I know a child. Make her lucky in. Make her rotate a little bit. Alright, come on, make her lucky in. What?
Said I know.
To what day? I'm one on the left and one on forward. Light skin and dark skin though. We don't know. Go on.
Yeah.
We like those double cheeked up on a Sunday morning. Like, why not? We love those.
Said I know you see my taste, yeah.
Yeah.
But you leave me parade.
She bright. Hold on. You're bright, little girl. Me no say some text. And you come and leave me on unread. How you feel like? Watch your morning in the bed tonight. Go on. Woo.
And I know you see my flex, yeah.
Yeah.
But I guys want parley, but you know bother me.
Girl, I'm tell you this. You know you see the motion. You know see them have the motion already. Hey, come on, go on like, but don't lie, she look good. She look good. The only girl who look good can act them type of way, my friend. And she look good. She look damn good. Go on.
Let me love you, I know no other. But if I mess up, then I tell you that I'm sorry for fucking your life, yeah.
When you see that people on the corner, they say, but if I mess up there, I'm telling you that I'm sorry for fucking up your life. And if you play a song for one of my girl, one of my ex them to blood clot, come on, turn back in a real life. Now get emotional, dog. More bumbo clot and go. Right, Joe!
If I mess up,
then I tell you, say I'm sorry for
fucking up your life.
Baby girl, let's see. Why she get my vex with me? Just look at her. Hold on.
And I tell you that I'm sorry for
Hold on. Watch her. Look how she move. When she vex with him and I cuss him. Watch her style.
fucking up your life.
You could have vexed him from now till tomorrow. Let's look for you, so. Look at her. She a cuss me everything I jump. Me Jesus Christ.
But still I know right from wrong. But still I do the wrong things, and the way I belong. You and me right.
Baby, you know what? I'm not right from wrong, you know. But I still go do the wrong thing because what? We can't spoil you. You see me? Listen. Not because you look good. I can't soft up. You see me? I have to be a general same way. I have to gear bun. I have to make you vex. I have to make you cuss and fight. So when you fucking sex can good.
Write that song.
Alright.
Me need you like a password. We unfinished like my last verse. Hey, so I make you a take so long. So that from your gun you left a space up and
oh gosh. Baby, you know that? When you take too long, you leave a space for another girl to text me. And that not nice. When I take too long, you left a space open for another girl to text me, baby. You're taking too long. Go on.
Investigate you left your case open. I wonder how long.
Oh gosh. Jesus Christ! Why? Yes, man. Oh, gosh, reaction, boss. Run tune.
When you get vexed, the more times you honey and you need some sex.
Why, Jesus Christ. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, wow. 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 Wow.
Just like true, like right, cool, help you undress. Make we get the thing out of context. I bet stress.
No, me I smile too much. People, right now, intermission time. If you're watching the video right now, guess what you do? Want to comment the number 5 in the comment section. Just drop 5. Just drop the number 5. Don't comment nothing else. Just drop the number 5. Confuse everybody. Why them a comment number 5? Yeah, drop it. But you me thirsty? Make I drink some water. Cause I thirsty. I need a Saint Kitts girl. I need a Saint Kitts girl. Because this not normal. I need a Saint Kitts girl to blood clot. Jesus Christ. Let me say we put our Instagram in the comment section. If you're from Saint Kitts and you know that matter there, I want you to drop it down below. In the comment section. Not even drop it down below. Send me our Instagram. Per Instagram. Life of Tyreek. Right, I said there. I say if you put it in a description of the video because I want a girl there. Our Instagram down in the description. Brother, why you promote a body? It's me pushing her. Yo. Yo, I want a girl there. Need a girl there. We need a beautiful black woman. We need 2 of them. They're bad. Make we finish the video first. Then we can look girl. Go on!
I make we shake up your headrest. A long love for be empress. Cock it and fire till it empty. You get it love.
Bumble blood pussy rascal man. All them things here for the Sunday morning, yeah, man. Oh gosh, that's come make we shake up your bedded. Make we shake up your bedded. Oh gosh, man. What?
In excess. If I mess up, then I tell you that
I'm sorry for fucking up your life. I'm sorry, baby. If I mess up, baby, I'm sorry.
If I mess up, then I tell you that I'm sorry for
Fucking up your life. I can't sing better than you, but guess what? Mess up for sure. Now. You see, she look good when she have on the lingerie, right? She look good, right? What's her style?
Listen, me sweetheart, this ain't a sweet talk.
Yeah.
But you belong to me like Mary got to Jesus.
Yeah. Oh gosh, ish. You switch it up again. You might get a different style. Song bad. Oh yeah, I like a song. Hold on there. You can tell some like a song on the video. I don't know if I said that yet. But can you tell?
Serena and Venus till it tweezers and nobody get between us.
Yeah.
Cause suppose I die today.
I got hold it like say, yes, my G, I saw me I hold her to man. See me so man, huh? Hold the cheeks and man spread them a little bit, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yeah, I tried that one. Yes, man. But yeah, so she look good in the lingerie. She also look good in the black and grey suit that she have on, the body suit that she have on. She not half naked if I want her. Even if she never half naked, I still want her.
I tell you, treat you like a password. We unfinished like my last verse.
Watch it. Still look good. But I still kill it. Brawling. No condom. Rah!
Treat you like a password. We unfinished like my last verse. Treat you like a password. We unfinished like my last verse.
You don't have to take off it. You don't have to take off nothing. Shift it. Jesus Christ. Why? Did it done? Adjust the vibes, music. Big up yourself. This was a masterpiece. Why this are there 1 million views? What the fuck going on? And as usual, I must say thank you to all my viewers for recommending this song. You feel me? If you recommend this song, you comment down below that I recommend this song, my opinion comment. Then I say big up yourself and thank you for the love and the support that you give me from Saint Kitts. And I take me for forward over Saint Kitts, you know, so what's going on? September. Me must September. December, saying gifts. I know how I go on. I'm sorry to send kids. You see? So I go on about saying kids. But actually must I sign out. All them time them is me as I'm just kind of grow up look along and thing. Anyways,